Uh-oh, phone goes splat. Laptop wheezing like guitar cat. No worries, we fixed all that. Screen so cracked it draws a map. Keyboard stuck in a keyboard nap. Wi-Fi slow like molasses soup. Call FreeCheckFix, we're the troop. Duct tape won't fix your phone. Trust us, we've seen it all alone. We do magic, not just tricks. Real tech wizards at FreeCheckFix. Grandma's iPad full of cheese. Your business PC stuck on freeze. We fix tech with bees inside.
You tried.
So call us now, don't be shy. We fix tech before you cry. FreeCheckFix, the name's legit. We fix your stuff and we're funny with it. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da.